Hey everybody, today for my distance learning kids, Wednesday is all about going through and taking a look at how to do everything on Schoology. So when you go into Schoology, you'll see Wednesday, you open up the Wednesday folder. It's grayed out right now because I'm recording this before Tuesday or Wednesday, so you can't see it. But then what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of practice doing everything. So right here I have a practice discussion that I want you to do. When you click into it, it's just like type something random into there. How to take a Schoology quiz. None of this is graded. It's just how to practice doing it. So how to take a Schoology quiz. For right here, this link, it's going to take you to a couple of videos that shows you how to upload and submit assignments on Schoology. And then I want you to practice uploading a Google assignment and submitting a Schoology assignment on there. And so you can just do any for the uploading. I just want you to upload something random from your drive. That's fine, just so you can practice the steps. And then submitting should be pretty easy. You've probably done that in the past too. But I just want to make sure that everybody knows exactly what they need to do for Schoology, so that as we're distance learning, we feel comfortable with that. Once you've submitted everything and done the practice discussion and all that, you are good to go for science today, and then we will see you again tomorrow. Bye.